Hi guys, you're watching Dainik Savera Presents Fit with Jen. I'm your host and trainer Jennifer and welcome to our brand new 3-month COVID recovery program. Corona has taken its toll. With millions falling sick every day, nobody knows when this pandemic will end. अगर आपने भी मेरी तरह कोरोना को फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस किया है तो आप जानते हैं कि ये बैटल आसान नहीं है। ठीक होने के बाद भी ब्रेथलेसनेस एंड फटीग जैसी कई प्रॉब्लम्स हमारा साथ नहीं छोड़ती। After all, your body goes through a lot trying to survive. कोरोना रिकवरी प्रोग्राम है आपका वन स्टॉप सोल्यूशन टू फिक्स ऑल दीज प्रॉब्लम्स। ये सिंपल टू फॉलो रेजिमेंट स्पेसिफिकली डिजाइन किया गया है उन लोगों के लिए जो कोरोना से ठीक होने के बाद भी ठीक नहीं है। Easy to follow, slow and controlled body movement से ये प्रोग्राम आपके स्टैमिना को वापस लाने में मदद करेगा। Breathing exercises will improve lung capacity, leaving you feeling stronger and better. Let's get started. So guys, रोज की तरह आज का वर्कआउट भी हम शुरू करेंगे कुछ सिंपल और इजी बॉडी वेट मूवमेंट्स के साथ ताकि आपकी बॉडी प्रॉपर्ली वार्म अप हो सके। ये सभी मूवमेंट्स आप सिटिंग या स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में कर सकते हैं एज पर योर कन्वीनियंस। आज की हमारी फर्स्ट मूवमेंट है आर्म सर्कल्स। इसकी हम करेंगे 8 रेपिटेशंस ऑन ईच साइड। ट्राई टू ब्रीथ इन एज यू लिफ्ट योर आर्म्स अप, breathe out as you bring your arms down. Opposite. And relax. Up next guys is our outward arm stretch. So interlock your fingers, stretch your arms out, stretching those shoulder blades, pulling them apart, and the other side. Keep going. Relax. Up next guys is our shoulder stretch. Interlock your hands, take a deep breath in and stretch them behind your head. Relax. Up next guys is wrist extension to flexion. Stretch your arms in front of you, drop your hands down and back up. All the way down, all the way up. Relax. Now we'll do a few head movements guys, starting with neck left to right. and relax. Up next, guys, head tilts. Relax. Next up, guys, head nods. Take a deep breath in as you lift your chin up. Breathe out as you tuck your chin in toward the chest. Up next, guys, is sitting good mornings. Start with your hands in front of you. Extend your arms back as you breathe out, bringing your chest towards the knee. Come back up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Relax. Up next, guys, is double knee tucks. Balance your torso, keeping your back straight. Lift both the knees up toward the chest. And relax. Up next, guys, is double leg knee extensions. Again, support your back, back straight. Lift both the legs up and down, keeping your knees stable. Relax. Up next, guys, is sitting calf lifts. Get your hands on the knees, lean forward, putting maximum weight on your knees. Lift your heel up and down. Relax. Finally, guys, ankle pull-ins to extensions. Hold your leg up, pull the toe in towards the leg and then down. Pull it in, push it down. And relax. Relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की movements and I hope that you're sufficiently warmed up. If not, you can always go ahead and repeat the circuit one more time. अब हम करेंगे आज के आसन्स. So guys, आज का हमारा first आसन है परिव्रता अर्धचंद्र आसन also known as the half moon pose. इसे हम करेंगे स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में और इस आसन को परफॉर्म करने के लिए आपको ज़रूरत होगी एक चेयर या एक बेंच की फॉर बैलेंसिंग योर बॉडी. Let's start by facing the bench. Hinge at the waist. Bring one arm down. Left arm on the bench. Lift your right leg up until you feel that it's parallel to the ground. Look up. Hold the asana for 10 to 15 seconds. Relax. दूसरी साइड रिपीट करेंगे half revolved moon. Right hand down. Left leg up until it's parallel to the ground. Arm up and hold. आज का हमारा अगला आसन है उत्थितमल आसन और द एक्सटेंडेड लेग स्क्वाट. इसे हम स्टार्ट करेंगे स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में. ओपन योर फीट नाइस एंड वाइड. गो एज वाइड एज यू कैन कंफर्टेबली गो while still challenging yourself to go wider. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out as you lower down on your right side. And hold the position for 10 to 15 seconds. Relax. Repeating on the other side. Drop down onto the left knee, keeping your right leg straight and hold. And relax. Slowly lift up. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है ऊर्ध्व मुख सवासना, also known as the upward facing dog. इसे हम स्टार्ट करेंगे on all fours. Take a deep breath in as you lift your knees off the ground and lower your hip down to as close to the ground as you can go. Make sure that your shoulders are relaxed. If you find this difficult to do, you can always go ahead and relax and put your thighs down on the ground. If you feel like challenging yourself, resist doing that and hover just above the ground. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. And relax. Guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है शवासन, also known as the corpse pose. Very easy to do and very relaxing. इसे हम perform करेंगे in your supine position. So go ahead, lie down on your back. Relax your legs. Let your feet flop sideways. Relax your shoulders. Relax your hands, your arms, palms facing upwards, and let your fingers naturally curl. Keep breathing normally. You can stay in this position for as long as you like. And relax. So guys, ये थे हमारे आज के आसन्स and I hope that you enjoyed them. अब हम करेंगे कुछ breathing exercises. आज की हमारी first breathing exercise है भ्रामरी प्राणायाम. Start in a cross-legged position or however you feel comfortable. आप इसे चेयर पर बैठकर भी कर सकते हैं. Take your index fingers, rest them onto your forehead. 3 fingers, use them to close your eyes. Use your thumbs to close your ears. Take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the nose with the M sound. You can repeat this for 2 to 4 minutes. Relax. Finally guys, आज की हमारी last exercise है अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम, also known as Nari Shodhana or alternate nostril breathing. Follow my instructions. Use your right hand thumb to block your right nostril. Take a deep breath in through the left. Using 2 fingers to block the left nostril, breathe out through the right. Breathe in through the right. Breathe out through the left. Continue for 4 to 5 minutes. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की exercises and I hope that you enjoyed them and are not too tired. Remember, consistency is the name of the game here. It's a marathon, not a sprint, so remember to take it easy and give your body a chance to heal. Please subscribe to the Dainik Savera channel for cutting-edge fitness challenges. Happy healing!